From television screens to the radio airwaves, Lerato Mvelase is proving once again why she remains one of South Africa's most versatile talents. The award-winning star, best known for her roles in House of Zwide and Home Affairs, has officially joined Power FM, where she will host Power Perceptive every Sunday from 9 p.m. to midnight. Her move comes as the station reshuffles its lineup following the departure of Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, signaling a fresh chapter for the broadcaster. Lerato will be sharing the platform with respected voices like Mondli Makhanya, Clementine Mabena, and Silo Radang, adding even more depth to the station's programming. Many fans believe this transition highlights how entertainers are expanding beyond traditional roles, building influence across multiple media space, and redefining what it means to be a modern South African media personality. Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Please do consider leaving your comment down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.